So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on it, you want to click on any service and click on D on your keyboard. Now we're going to scroll down until we see DNS client. You want to right click on it, and then it should let you restart. It might not, but just in case if it does, you want to click on restart, and then you want to restart the DNS client service. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to double click on your network adapter, and then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now you want to tick use the following DNS server addresses. You want to make the first line 8888, and you want to make the second line 8844, and then click on OK. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in ipconfig space / release and click on enter. Now we're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and click on enter. Now we're going to type in ipconfig space / renew and click on enter. Now you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.